Hello guys, do you want to know how you can make 30,000 naira for just one sale of affiliate material, right? So this is going to be a video and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually go about making money online for yourself from affiliate material. You can make more than 30,000 naira, right? So welcome to the Frugal Investor. While doing this channel, I teach you guys how to make money online, okay? So if you're interested, just subscribe to the channel, put on the bell notification icon, and then let's continue, right? So I've been using this platform for a while, but I've never really sold anything here, right? I've never really marketed anything here. But then recently I just did a single market, and then here comes the sale, right? Although it's just one sale I've made in this platform, but this is from a single marketing, right? So you can see that there are lots of products over here. You can go ahead and sell. There are dropshipping courses, there are advanced sales funnel courses, there are lots of courses over here, guys. You can sell, you can make lots of commission over here. This is 50% commission. This is gonna give you 22,500 naira at a commission, right? But anyway, there's a particular course I used to actually make this profit, which is the WhatsApp marketing course, and I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video. So once you click on that link, this is basically what you're gonna see, right? So here it tells you what they're offering you, right? You can make as much as 750k in a single month without any single capital. You can go ahead and watch this short video, right? So just go ahead and click on that link. It's going to bring you to this page, right? So go over here, you're gonna see people's testimonies and how much they've been making every single month from this particular platform, right? So what I'm basically gonna be doing today is to show you guys a trick you can actually apply with what they are gonna teach you in this particular course, right? So you can just go ahead and purchase this course, guys. You actually need it. It's very, very important. And then I'm gonna give you guys a trick you can actually be implying, because for you to actually get into Expertnia as a whole, you need to pay for it, right? But getting into Expertnia from this course is gonna be giving you a free 1 year access into Expertnia, and Expertnia is currently 10,000 naira per year. Okay, so that is a very huge bonus. I just let me drop for you guys. And then coming over to the trick you actually want to be using to make money from this platform, well, that is called what? YouTube, right? YouTube. Now people are making courses about Expertnia here, and people are making sales online every single time they drop courses about Expertnia, right? So you can see these people are talking about Expertnia 247, although this is actually like the first video I've made about Expertnia, right? But because I said normally I don't actually promote Expertnia, because I'm not into digital products, right? So I'm more of physical products. But hey, they're all affiliate marketing, right? So why not, right? So let's just see how it goes, right? So basically what I'm just trying to say is that come over here, join us, start doing these things, creating video on YouTube, how you can make money online using Expertnia and stuff like that. And it's not just Expertnia, you can also do this about every other affiliate marketing product over there, okay? Every affiliate marketing program over there. You can go to Digistore, you can go to JVZoo, and create videos about them, about their products, and how it will help your clients. Because at the end of the day, what I'm trying to do is help your clients. Okay, this is not all about you making money. This is gonna be help your clients, number one. That is the first thing. All right, so just go ahead and start a YouTube channel. It's gonna take you some time actually to grow it, but once you've grown it, you're gonna actually be able to start making money online from it, right? Promoting your affiliate material, right? So just go back to the description of this video, click on this link and watch this video to see exactly what these people are talking about, right? And don't forget that in Expertnia over here, you can actually do a lot of things, right? You can actually do a lot of things over here in Expertnia. So so this is a very quick tip I just said let me give you guys, so you can actually start making money online for yourself using YouTube and Expertnia, right? So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Take care and happy